okra stew. So.
Let us see. I hope this is what I'm looking for, please. Definitely what I was looking for.
So guys, this is the egusi stew with the fufu and the he said it's pounded yam. That's the fufu and the jollof rice and some plantain. We get, you see, it's pretty expensive, $100 for some food like this, but I mean, I was excited to try it. A bit anxious if my wife is gonna like it because she have to eat with her hands. So
I just watched them.
Let's go to see if it's gonna, you know, if the taste is what we're looking for. So.
And it was made by someone from Nigeria. Nigeria?
Yeah. It's a Nigerian, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm excited. I'm not excited about eating with my hands, but I'm excited that we're eating African food, something I haven't tried. I'm a foodie. I love to eat. Never ever tried Jamaican food before.
Okay.
So I had to get the app, Uber Eats app.
Yeah.
The guy came down, helped us, and yeah, he was a really nice guy.
This is the food,
Oh my
guys.
God.
Yeah. See?
Oh my gosh. Okay, where's the fufu? Right here. This is the no. This is
guys. This is the plantain.
This is the egusi soup.
Wait, no. I think that's the jollof.
Oh, that's the jalapia.
Oh, they gave us it with chicken.
What did you, yeah, you asked for chicken, but you said you wanted it with spicy chicken or hot chicken.
Oh, okay.
This is not. This is the rice, guys. That doesn't look like soup though. That doesn't look soupy.
This is the egusi stew. They said.
Oh, I wanted soup. You know,
No,
like that girl had.
I don't know, but we already get it, guys. So let's see.
Well, not what I thought we were. I thought we were getting like a gravy.
Yeah, we thought we were getting like a gravy stuff, but let's try it and see.
You gotta eat with your fingers.
Alright, let's pull out the fufu and see.
Oh, I'm so disappointed. I wanted to dip it in that gravy.
Yeah, the
Goosey soup.
Yeah, you can have some. What do you mean?
Oh, okay. So what is this? This is a okay. So we
That's
got
the plantain.
plantain. This is the what is it?
This is the jollof rice with chicken.
Okay. This is supposed to be a goosey soup, but
I think it said stew, right? So.
but I told him I wanted
but
to.
it's liquidy in the bottom.
Is there?
Yeah.
Okay. So we gotta take it with our hand.
Yeah.
And it's not gooey, like. Okay, we're now. I'm so. I don't know. Let's try. This is not what I wanted, but anyway, we're gonna eat it. I wanted the gravy, you know.
Go for it. Let me see. Babies.
You're not supposed to chew it.
They said you should like just
Not
swallow
chew it?
And swallow it.
I wanted the gravy. This is kind of spicy, right?
Yeah, but it's actually
It's
not
good.
bad, you know.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
What is this?
This is the egusi stew, babe. I think you wanted some slimy stuff. This is the goat in the egusi stew. Let's see.
I wanted the like, and it's not even slimy. Like, you know, it's not slimy. Oh wow, it's still good.
You probably have to try it again.
Yeah, I wanted the, you know, like the slime.
This is the.
I'm gonna eat this with my hands. Sorry, not this. Let me try the rice.
Like, this is good.
Oh my god, this is spicy. My daughter would love this. Woo!
The jollof.
Wow. Let me see.
they said they should not chew it, but I chew a little bit of it. Guys, comment in the comment section and tell us what's this.
Yeah, what
I
is
think
it?
this is the egusi stew, they said.
But how come it's not slimy and gravy like? And how come this is not slimy? I thought this was supposed to be slimy. No?
No, baby.
Oh. Let me try to go.
It's good, babe.
Mm.
It's good.
It's just not wet like I thought it was going to be. It's kind of dry. And not slimy.
It's a bit spicy, but I will have to deal with it. Oh my god.
It is good though. It's got a nice flavor. Lots of seasoning.
Yeah, it's nice.
Mm-hmm. And the goat is nice and tender. Yeah. This is actually not bad. I'm trying to think what this tastes like.
Fufu?
Is this fufu?
Yeah.
Or, he didn't call it fufu though. He called it something else.
Fufu, no, it does. Guys, this spicy, but it's good.
This is like mashed potato kind of, right? I don't know.
I don't know. Wait there for me. Nice.
Oh my god. This piece of goat meat was so tender.
Nice.
Mmm. Mmm.
Guys, I'm just happy that my wife enjoyed. God no. I'm just so happy that she's enjoying it. Let me taste this.
He was scared that I wasn't going to eat it.
It's the jollof.
It's hot, right? Let me try this.
Is the chicken hot too?
No, chicken's not hot. Mm.
Give a little burn sensation.
Yeah, it's got, right? Like I can taste a little burn in it or something. Like it's hot.
Let me taste the chicken.
I cannot wait to have crispy plantain one of these days. Can we have green plantain and make it crispy?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it for you.
Like this is a little soggy to me, but maybe that's the way it's supposed to be. But I want like crispy, like French fries. I've had it like that before and I really like it.
Right, so my view on the chicken, it's a bit, it's good.
You're
It's a
eating.
bit hard, but it's good. Does you eat the chicken with your hand too?
Well, we even eat chicken with our hands, so.
The rice is good, but this, they said it's an
Yeah.
egusi stew.
You know what we
I
should
love
have
this
did?
one. This one is good.
Babe wanted to get the rice. We should have got 2 egusi soup. We should have got a turkey one and a goat one. This is not what I thought it was. It's just so dry. Look at it, guys. It's not that soupy gravy that
Guys,
I thought.
comment in the comment section and tell us what's the soupy gravy one.
Yeah.
But I'm enjoying this one though.
Maybe if we had chose chicken. I don't know. But it is good. It's just not giving me the effect that I was looking for.
She wanted to soup like this.
Yeah, I wanted to
Ready now?
soup it right in.
I can have one over.
Oh no, I'm making a mess.
You know, just leave it one.
Mm-hmm. We're having so much fun here in Vancouver, trust me. The traffic is a lot, but I don't mind because I'm seeing different places I've never seen before and different things and stuff. So there's lots of things to look at while we're in traffic. Babe is driving and he don't care. He don't mind driving in traffic. Yeah, and we got some more food places we're going to try out. We're going to go to fancy restaurant, and we were so looking forward to this. So cheers to African food. It's good. Made authentically by a Nigerian man. A black Nigerian man. I got canned in the comments for not saying black people or a black person. Yeah. I've been hanging around and part of a black family since I was 18 years old. And I'm turning 51 on January 28th, so it's a long time I've been part of a black community. My daughter is half black. My stepdaughter is half black. Yeah. My husband's black. My son is black. Yep. Our doctor is black. I can't eat this all. I gotta save some for babe. It's good. I like it. It's very filling. Very filling. You know what? We probably only needed one of these balls.
What?
I'm getting full. I said we probably only needed one of them.
Yeah.
I'm thinking.
Guys, I'm my fufu.
This is all fat, this here.
Yeah, I want it.
Is that fufu there?
Yeah, that's fufu. You put them in there.
I put them in. I don't even remember doing it.
Would you want to try it?
Rajero cracks me up.
Different gravy, you know?
I'm just glad you're here to help me with them. Now you know what I go through all day, every day. It's not easy. But I love it. I'm not complaining. Whew. It's a little spicy, eh?
Guys, this.
You're making my nose run. My nose was kind of running before, and now it's definitely running.
I think Rajero seated, but I think you see it. And by the view of it, he's like, nah, I'm not going. I'm not attacking it. But it's good.
Rajero,
Yeah?
you want to try some fufu?
No.
I told y'all.
Rajero, do you want to try some Egusi soup?
No.
No. No, thank you.
No, thank you.
What about, what is this called? Jollof rice?
Jollof rice,
What
yeah.
about jollof rice? Would you like some jollof rice?
No.
No.
Guys, I think by the view of it, he's like,
Oh,
nah, I'm not doing
I know something you might want. Here, come eat some plantain. The people, come say hi to the people. I know they want to see you. You'll like the plantain, sweetheart. Come. Come eat the plantain, my love.
No. Not today.
Not today.
You respect your decision, right?
Alright.
Good. It's good.
Yeah.
I wasn't disappointed,
No.
honestly.
No. I mean, I was disappointed in one way, but not in another. Let's put it that way.
Yeah. Babe wanted the okra. Maybe it's the okra stew he wanted. Yeah, it's okra stew, babe.
Oh.
But I said, you know what
You
happened?
called it Egusi stew.
Because this is Egusi stew. Egusi
But I
stew.
didn't want Egusi stew. I wanted the okra, whatever.
Guys, me and one of my co-workers, he's from Africa, he's from Nigeria. Not the one that you guys see on the vlog, but another one. And we were talking about it and he was gonna invite me over and stuff, but I mean, you know, my schedule is so busy, right? So that never happened. So I'm like, I take some time off for babe's birthday and we're like, you know what, we're gonna try it when we're in Vancouver. So this is the moment.
You know what?
Good.
I want to order some okra stuff. It'll be here in an hour.
The okra stew?
Yeah, it'll be here in an hour. I want to try it.
Okay.
I'm going on Uber Eats and ordering it. I want to get it.
They want it.
I'm not going to be happy. It's not the full effect without the okra or whatever.
stew?
I thought it was called Egusi soup. But the Egusi soup is good. Don't get me wrong. I like Egusi soup.
What you want at the okra stew?
But I want the okra, whatever. The slimy. I might be weird. Don't ask. Don't judge me. It's just, I seen it on other people's channels, and that's what I was hoping for.
She wanted to taste that.
The rice is good. But you know, guys, when they put it on a grill to fry it and you got that like burnt
Burning
smoke,
texture, yeah.
the burnt smoked flavor, that's what it is. And maybe it's liquid smoke they put in, I don't know. But it tastes a little burnt or something. But it is good. Maybe that's how it's supposed to taste. I don't know.
Maybe. You know what? I see they like they put the ingredients like the peppers and stuff in the oven first to burn. So maybe it's that burn and then they blend it. So
Okay.
guys, look forward for
Where's
me.
my phone?
Look forward for me attempting. It's over there, plugged in.
That's not my phone.
It's your phone, baby.
Really? Oh, yeah, it is. Can you get it for me, please? Thank you.
So guys, look forward for me attempting. I might not attempt it everything one day
Oh, to
because
cook
I have
it?
to master the craft. But I have to attempt. Yeah, I want to attempt each and every one of them and show you guys.
I'm going on Uber Eats and ordering this. Let's see if I can find it first. So if you're in Vancouver, I don't have my glasses, but okay, I can get. Oh, look, it says Uber Eats notification. So maybe I can. Okay. So rate your order. I'm gonna rate it. Thumbs up, right? 5-star. Submit. The guy was awesome. I don't know his name or anything, but the name of the restaurant is Vansua, VansuyA. So the only way you can order from this restaurant is through Uber Eats. Do I have anything on my face? No. And yeah, you gotta have Uber Eats app and order it that way. So let's see. We're gonna do. We want it delivered because we're not going back to get it, right? So. Let's do Uber 1.
Oh, bye-bye.
And Buddy helped me do this. I don't even know if I can do it on my own. He typed it in somewhere.
I can just leave it for now. We'll try it another day, baby.
Really?
Yeah, let's leave it. But I'm already full. I don't know who's gonna help me to eat the okra stew.
I'll put it in the fridge and. Oh, I'm not good with this kind of stuff.
Guys, I must say this is really good. This is really, really good.
Oh, search. V. How do you spell that restaurant again? Vansu. V-A-N.
It's up there, yeah.
Vansua. Barbecue. Oh, it's a barbecue Nigerian. Okay, so we're going to do delivery. What's a delivery free? Got it. Okay, now.
He's determined.
Okay, so I want okra. Okay. Okra soup. Oh, I'm so excited. I want it.
Let's see what they sent it with.
Okra soup is a popular, delicious soup prepared with okra, onions, peppers, red bell peppers, vegetarian, Nigerian, and protein of your choice. That is what I want. Let me see. Does that what it's supposed to look like?
Yeah, okra soup. They want it with pork meat, turkey, fried fish,
I'm gonna get it with
or beef.
Oh God, I don't know what I want. Maybe I'll get it with chicken.
Okay.
Oh no, turkey. It says popular. Okay. Add to cart. Okay. And then view cart. I'm gonna save this to go with it.
What? Yeah.
Okay, so go to checkout. Okay, no thanks. Watch it not be the right thing. Oh well, I want to get it anyway.
Please order.
Standard, priority, direct to you. 420. What time is it right now?
Operated in Korea. It's 4:70.
Okay. Base order. I'm gonna have to go down and get it too.
Okay, chill. Okay.
Save and continue. Oh, building type hotel. Da da da. Oh, room 416 416. Save and continue. Meet in lobby. Yeah. Base order. Looks good.
Egusi stew. There's the egusi stew. So we are winning, is a win.
All right, order received. Meet in the lobby. One thing about me, guys, I'm very persistent.
Yeah, that's big.
I wanted him and I got him. No. No, he wanted me too. But I think we both were playing hard to get there for a while. So anyway, but I'm very persistent. I know what I want and I get what I want. So, and I want the okra soup, so I'm getting it.
Okra stew.
Or whatever it is. Whatever it is, I'm getting it. Because I thought I said to him, did I not say to him I want to dip it in and eat it? But he probably didn't know what I meant when I said that. Because they eat everything like that, right? So he probably didn't have a clue what I meant.
Oh well. Vancouver get the best out of Nigeria get the best out of me today.
I gotta save room for my okra.
Guys, black out the knives. Rajero is something else.
Now I gotta wash my hands because I was digging in my ears.
Okay, guys, stay tuned for the okra stew. Where babe order it.
Okay, guys, it has arrived.
Guys, babe re-ordered the okra stew.
Let us see. I hope this is what I'm looking for. Please. Please, Lord, please. So I just washed my hands. So, babe, would you ever eat this food again?
Yeah, I'll try the egusi stew tomorrow, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't say I would, to be
Egusi
honest,
stew.
but we'll see about this. This is probably what I'm looking for. I feel like this is the right thing.
Raj, you gotta tone it down. The truth in
Okay,
it.
yeah, this is definitely what I was looking for.
Guys, these are the okra stew.
Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, wait out. I'm gonna just take a little bit. Oh wait out. Oh, see? Look at it. Okay, hold on. How do you do this?
Guys, the okra stew is here.
It's not too bad. It's got that smoky flavor. No, there's something I don't like about it. I don't know what it is. No, babe, you gotta.
Raj, turn the lights
You
on.
just gotta go for it.
Guys, this is the okra stew. What is it?
Come on, you gotta get the technique down, babe. There's a technique to this, apparently. Let's see. You know that burnt taste, eh? Okay, I'm seeing.
It's not bad, you know.
Mm.
It's good.
I like Jamaican food better. That's my preference. I like Jamaican food way better. Oh, and the turkey. My turkey leg is so much better. It's so hard. When I make my turkey legs, they're falling off the bone. Sorry, Nigerian people or whatever. Not my cup of tea. Nope. Mm-mm.
Guys, to me, the Egusi stew is the best one. To me.
Yeah.
I told babe to leave this one for another time.
I wanted
but
to try
she wanted
it.
to try it, so.
I'm very persistent. Even if it's a fail, even if I wasted my money, I wanted to get. And okay, so I thought you were supposed to pull this, and it's supposed to be, you know what I mean?
This is the feet.
That is it.
Guys, Egusi stew. Oh, God.
African food, ma'am. Nigerian. This, like, is it Nigerian?
Yeah, the
This-
guy said it. The guy said he was born in Nigeria and then came here to live.
I'm done.
Yeah, this is the turkey.
Yeah.
Turkey meat with it.
It said most popular.
This one, this okra stew.
It said turkey was the most popular. That's why I
Oh.
got it. Maybe if I had got beef, it would taste different and better. I don't know. I should have got the beef one. Okay, let's order the beef. No, I'm just joking.
Guys, this is us on a normal basis. My wife, we just play.
I'm done. I just wanted to try it. It's so slimy. Oh my god. I like okra though. I don't know the technique. Okay, so you take it like this and you go. Yeah. I still haven't figured out how to use chopsticks, let alone how to.
Let's come taste the
Oh, yeah.
okra stew. This okra stew, wait. Come in. Come in. Raj is gonna taste the okra stew, guys.
He's like, no.
Come open, Papa. Open.
He's like, do I have to, Dad?
Taste it. Just a little bit. I cut it down to half. Come. This okra stew.
Don't, babe. Don't make them for us.
All
That's
right.
the
Taste the chicken. Taste the chicken, Papa. Taste the turkey. It's a turkey.
I got poop.
My pitney man. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. I gotta go wash my hands. I'm done. That's it from you guys.
Guys, that's
African food out. I'm all African fooded out. I would never get it again, ever.
it. So guys, I did say to my wife that I don't think she's gonna like it. She said she won't get it again, so it's not a pass for her, but it's a pass for me. I'd get the egusi stew. The egusi stew once more. I would probably pass on the okra stew. But I like the egusi stew. That's really good. The jollof rice, I'd probably pass on the jollof. I like my rice and peas better.
Okay, to be honest, the goat, what was it? Egusi stew? That was good. I don't mind that. It was alright. But everything else is a pass. If I had to eat African food or Nigerian or whatever, I
I
would.
think the slime is what mesmerized baby brain.
I thought it was going to taste better though. It doesn't taste good. I don't mind the slime. I just wanted to have a better flavor.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That's it for the okra. I would definitely have it again. I definitely have the fufu and the egusi stew again. I'd pass on the rice. I'd pass on the okra stew. And you know, plantain, we always have in plantain, so yeah, we'll always eat plantain again. But yeah, that was it for this vlog. Peace out, guys. So guys, the egusi stew was a hit. You understand? The okra soup was it, but wasn't that it too for us. But the egusi soup, I'll definitely go back for that. You understand? The jollof rice is a no for me. You understand? The fufu, I love that, and the egusi stew.
What about the okra?
The okra stew, my wife's best one. That was my wife's best one. Guys, just remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And turn that notification bell on so you get all new uploads. Peace out, guys.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, so you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No, tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?